In this video, we want to derive the probability density function from the cumulative distribution function. Since the cumulative distribution function is the integral of the probability density function, it follows that the probability density function of a continuous random variable is the derivative of the cumulative distribution function. That is, small f of x is equal to differentiate capital F of x. Let's look at this example. The continuous random variable capital F of x has a cumulative distribution function as follows. Find small f of x and sketch the function y equals small f of x. From the previous video, we use integration if we want to find the cumulative function. Then, when you want to come back to probability density function, you have to use differentiation. So, to solve this question, we sketch a number line to guide you. We start by writing down the value 0 and 3. From here, we can see that there is 3 interval. The first one is x is less than 0. The second one is x is from 0 to 3. The last interval is x greater than 3. Then, we write down the cumulative function for each interval. Let's start with the first interval. The small f of x is equal to derivative of cumulative function. Here, our cumulative is 0. So differentiate 0 will give us 0. Moving on to the second interval, the small f of x is equal to derivative of cumulative function. So differentiate x cubed over 27 will give us x squared over 9. For the last interval, the small f of x is equal to the derivative cumulative function. Here, our cumulative is 1. So differentiate 1 will give us 0. For the final answer, you need to write down the probability density function into a piecewise function. For the range x from 0 to 3, the probability density function is x squared over 9. Since the probability density function for the range x less than 0 and x greater than 3 is 0, we write down 0 for otherwise. For the second questions, we want to sketch the probability density function. Let's start by finding the endpoint for each interval. When x equals 0, f of 0 is 0. When x equals 3, f of 3 is 1. Then, we plot this endpoint. We connect this endpoint by sketching quadratic curve. Then, we sketch horizontal line for otherwise.